up guys, it's Umair here. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to pronounce colors in French easily. So let's get started. Alright, so our first color here is white. So white in French we pronounce it as Blanc. Now black in French we pronounce it as Noir. So the R you gotta pronounce it with your throat. Noir. Repeat after me. Noir. And red in French we pronounce it as Rouge. Just like Noir, you gotta pronounce Rouge with your throat. Rouge, not Rouge. Alright. And blue in French, you gotta pronounce it as Bleu. So it's basically like the same thing. Like in English we pronounce it as blue, but in French we pronounce it as bleu. So like in English it's UE, but in French it becomes EU. Alright, so here are 4 tips to help you, practice French color pronunciation. So you should listen to native speakers, you should often listen to native French speakers, on YouTube or on the radio, on the news, and you should focus on sounds, and you should use flashcards to practice learning French pronunciation, and you should surround yourself with TV or computer, and set their language to French so that you can learn French much easily and quickly. Alright, so here are 3 common mispronounced French words that I see literally everybody make. So violet in French we pronounce it as violet, like violet, but I see people pronouncing it as violet, like violet, like just like in English, violet. But no, you gotta pronounce it as violet. Because why? Because the T becomes silent, so that's why we pronounce it as violet. And green in French we pronounce it as vert. So once again the T becomes silent, so you pronounce it as vert, not vert. And orange in French we pronounce it as orange. So like the AN in French we pronounce it as on instead of an, like in English. So it becomes orange. And once again the R you gotta pronounce it with your throat. Alright guys, so now let's just do the quick review of it. So just repeat after me. White, blanc. Black, noir. Red, rouge. And blue, bleu. And violet, violet. And then green, vert. And last but not least, orange, orange. And yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. So I hope you loved this tutorial. And learned 7 colors in just a 5-minute vid. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And that was it for today's videos. And have a nice day. Bye.